Hello and welcome to Simply Linux. Today this is a follow-up video to a previous one I did about RAM usage. Okay, what I have done is actually installed this time. We have OpenBox, we have the OpenBox Mini, Trinity, Plasma and Mate desktops. Okay, so they've all been updated to the present everything, which means it's just fully updated, all of them. And so I've also installed NeoFetch into all of these to run straight off their terminals. So without further ado, we'll open these one by one, left to right, and we'll start off with OpenBox here. Yep, they're all running full screen, so if I just go to a terminal, which is secure on this, and we can see we're running at 276 megabytes out of the 500 megabytes I gave the virtual machine. All of these virtual machines are running in 500 megabytes to make it all even, and they are running their default installed desktops, which means whoever made them, me or Techstar in this case, are running, like I've got HP thingy, yep, that's what it's using with that service running as well. So 276. Next we'll go to Xbox Mini and we'll hit the old terminal. Again, it's secure, and you can see that it's running 254. So we have 276 and 254, which is 22 less, which is very cool. So there may not be more background instances happening here. And we're all running on the same kernel, the 5.2.14, and we're all running all more or less the same hardware specs after that. So we'll go to Trinity. I'll open up its console, and I do have another program here called DFC, which shows the space usage used on the drive as well, but that's coming in at 277 megabytes. Again, we have different icons on the sys tray working in the background, so they will affect excuse me, they will affect the RAM usage, but we got 177. Okay, we have a Plasma. Plasma will use Plasma's console. There we go. We'll just load that up now. It is running off the normal hard drive, the spinning rust. Anyway, we have the memory of 419 megabytes for Plasma in its default config. Mate, hello Mate. We'll use its Mate terminal. Up to 7 minutes, as you can see, and we're running 430 megabytes, which is actually larger than Plasma's. Okay, what I'm going to do right now, just for the fun of it, I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to reboot each and every one of these VMs, and we're going to test again. So I'll be back in a mo. And we're back with a freshly rebooted machine. Now we'll test these again. 279 this time for OpenBox. Let's have a look at OpenBox Mini. 256 for OpenBox Mini. For Trinity, let me bring this one to the centre. 293 megabytes. Plasma. Is running at 416 megabytes, and Mate is running at 379. Now, as you can see, there are differences here of what happened after a second reboot. Now this should remain constant now, but what we'll do is we'll have a look if installed under X terms. So let me do Mate first, being as I am here. Oops. Let's go to applications, more applications, and external. And it's running 370 under external. We'll also do the same with Mr. Plasma here. We'll close down console. And we'll go over here and we'll start up external. And 405 megabytes. So far we have 370 and 405. Trinity. We'll close down Trinities and hopefully we do have external. We do. And I've got to type my alphabets there because it didn't pick it up for some reason, but 283 megabytes for that. Okay, we have external here as well, and it's 256 megabytes for the OpenBox Mini. And lastly but not least, I'll open up external again. And we have 279 there. So we still have the 20 megabytes difference in OpenBox between the two things, between the two running OpenBoxes there. One's a Mini which has less installed than the OpenBox, of course. Trinity, which is pretty much decked out. He's running 283. Plasma is running 405, and PCLinuxOS Mate is 370. I am going to do a part 3 with LXQT, LXDE, XFCE versions of PCLinuxOS. But that's all from me right now. I hope you have a wonderful Sunday and take care all. Of course, if you like this video, please subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, and yeah, see you all again soon. Take care.